Hey guys, how's it going? Chris Phillips here. Hey, I wanted to just show you some of the lasers that I work with when I'm doing measurement, layout, and installation. I've actually got a few different lasers that I use, and some more than others. So I was going to give you a quick introduction. The one I use probably more than any other is this one. And this is actually a Bosch laser. It's a plumb level laser. So this will actually shoot a beam in 3 different directions. It shoots a level line, and that goes 360 degrees around. And of course, it's self-leveling. It'll actually shoot a plumb line going this way, again, 360 degrees. If I click it again, it'll shoot it in both directions. So it'll give you a crosshair. And this allows you to make sure that your corners are perfectly square. And then one more time, it will go plumb, level, square in every direction. Again, this is the laser that I probably use more than any other. I use it for layout, when I'm doing measurements, also when I'm laying out for my install. Usually I keep this mounted on a tripod, and I'll show you some more about that in upcoming videos. The next laser that I use, probably the next most frequently, is this little Stanley Fat Max. And this is a real affordable laser. All it does is it shoots a dot straight down and straight up. So it allows you to get a plumb mark and actually just kind of transfer a mark either from the sill to the ceiling or vice versa. I don't use this one all that often, but when I do need it, it's really handy. And this one doesn't beep when it's out, but it'll just, it'll just stop working when you get it too far out of plumb. But again, this is pretty accurate, pretty affordable, and it comes in really handy when you need it. The third laser I want to show you is this laser measuring tool. And this is also a Bosch. And the way it works is I'll turn it on and it'll shoot a laser beam out like this. And it'll give me a measurement, a very accurate measurement, to within the 32nd of an inch. It's super accurate and it works really well, but it has some limitations and it may not be perfect for every layout situation, but I'll show you more about that again in another video. So thanks for checking in. Look for more videos coming up in this unit, which is all about lasers that we use for measurement, layout, and installation. All right, thanks a lot.